Welcome to another episode of What the. My name's Nick. I'm the Chief Executive at VisitorQ, and in this series, we teach you super practical tips and tricks to help your company grow. In this episode, we'll be talking about how you can utilize drip campaigns to turn more prospects into paying customers. A drip campaign is simply just an email sequence that sends emails after an event has occurred, like a certain amount of time or a different trigger that you set up. This is a tactic that multiple different industries can use, and VisitorQ has used from the very beginning extensively to convert more prospects into paying clients. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is make a list of the different prospect sources you have that you can create automated drip campaigns for. These could be newsletter subscriptions, free trial signups, trade shows, website forums, the list goes on. Once you have a good understanding of where your prospects are coming from, you can start to seek out an email automation software that allows you to create drip emails. At VisitorQ, we use Keep.com, which is our CRM and email automation platform all in one. If you have a CRM currently, try to use that as your email automation platform for ease and data consistency. If your CRM doesn't offer email automation, look around on Google and G2 for one that fits your needs. Now that you have your email automation platform picked out, consider again your sources for prospects and the emails those different prospects would want to receive. I recommend you whiteboard this or simply mock it up on a piece of paper to help you visualize. Make a list of the different emails you want to send them and a timeline for when they'll be sent. Here are some examples of emails you may want to send. An email welcoming them and introducing your company or yourself, a case study highlighting how other clients have seen success with your business, a white paper specific to your industry, an email asking them for a review after they've purchased. The possibilities here are endless. The drip part comes in by stringing these emails together over the course of a few days, weeks, or months with different triggers involved. As an example, you may send prospects that sign up for a free trial a welcome email 1 hour after they sign up. Then, 1 day later, an article that they absolutely need to read. Then, 3 days later, a case study of an existing client, and so on. In here, you might set a trigger to look if they've ended up purchasing from you, and if they did, to send a different email asking them how their experience was. Now that you have a rough plan, go into your email automation software and start building out your drip campaigns and start sending those emails. With drip campaigns, your prospects receive relevant content right when they need it. Don't worry if your drip campaign starts off fairly simple. No doubt over time, you will add more emails, timing, and triggers that will make it more complicated. That's all for this episode of What the. Ensure you like this video and subscribe to be alerted of new episodes.